I nominated Conway on the basis that he's just such a gentleman. You never have issues with Conway. If there's anything you need to talk about, he's always there. He's just always showing the good in children. He's always talking to them and helping them.
He's a friend before a youth club leader. He's had a really positive effect. He always pushes me to do the best I can do, always helps me if I have any problems, lets me take reign of what I want to do and only wants to help me.
When I was young, youth clubs were really important to me, and a youth worker made a massive difference to my life when I was a teenager. So in the village here, there's a huge need. There's nothing for young people to do really. And so a group of us decided 25 years ago now to set up a youth club. We do quite a lot in the community as well. So we had a Christmas dinner. We do a Christmas dinner for the pensioners. We run activities within the village fete. So for me, being able to get young people, encourage them and facilitate them being involved in their community so they're part of it.